guns is like selling vacuum cleaners.
Tampa Bay's on this in the Barron Sea. Picked up a distress signal above the Columbia Peninsula. Mind your battle. Bond, Captain. Maintain range. Stay right behind. Captain, exposure protocol. Put it on the bearing. Yes, sir. Transmitter pins are active. Let them know we're here. Hold up. What is that?
Torpedo in the water, bearing 335 at 600 yards.
Torpedo evasion. Make your depth 700 feet. Was that from the Coney?
No, sir. It's a contact directly above us. 400 yards.
All ahead flank.
200 yards.
Right hand rudder.
Tampa Bay's not missing one above the Columbia Peninsula. Nav 0 points, no recent repairs, no problems with the radio, and no weather over the Barents Sea. I'll be close to Russian waters. And sure, anything's happened to the Russian sub for weeks. Let's just hope that's all it is. So they're 2 hours over checking.
That's how we can't. We need to get back to Congress and twist some goddamn arms.
An arms race in the Arctic General.
It's a land.
The Russian president is simply posturing, pounding his chest.
He's embarrassed us in Syria. He continues to defy us in Germany. Are we going to let him dominate us in the Baltic? And what next? Europe?
We can't afford another Cold War, neither do they.
Truth is that we are witnessing the most aggressive military buildup in Russian history. It's not a time to pussy around. submarine.
I told Six Fleet you want to hunt to kill him.
We don't have one in the Yukon region. Now the risk is so potential.
We do. We have one.
No, so Arkansas just lost a skip.
And I assigned her a new one. He's in the region, never been a gap.
Joe Glass. Where the hell did you find him? What class was he?
Never went to Annapolis, sir.